Hello, beautiful friends. Welcome to Learning Nails and Aesthetics. I am not AI, so mistakes will be made. My goal is to help you, so let me know if there's something that you would like to learn more about. Leave me a comment or even just a little emoji. Let me know where you're listening from. You don't have to write a dissertation in the comments or even a short story, unless you want to, of course. We also have memberships available. Watch my other videos, nails, aesthetics, and cosmetology. Explain the healthy professional. For your own benefit, as well as for the benefit of your clients and the longevity of your career, you should have a basic understanding of how to maintain your health and well-being on the job. Making the right nutritional choices and drinking plenty of water is a good place to start. You've heard people say you are what you eat, so strive to be well balanced, vitamin rich, and hydrated. On the flip side, skin disorders, fatigue, stress, depression, poor focus, and some diseases can be caused by an unhealthy diet or improper hydration. Beyond eating and drinking properly, healthy professionals are also aware of their body movements at work, moving safely and efficiently to avoid putting unneeded stress on their body in what are physically demanding service jobs. Blah, blah. You've got a long career ahead of you. An understanding of ergonomics will help you make it through a little less painfully. Beauty professionals should study and have a thorough understanding of the healthy professional because maintaining a strong, healthy body directly impacts the health of your practice, and your practice itself is related to nutrition and wellness in many ways. Understanding proper nutrients for the body to maintain optimum energy levels throughout the day is beneficial for all practitioners and their clients. Knowing when to take a sick day when you feel ill is an important responsibility regarding your coworkers and clients. Avoiding work-related injuries through care and ergonomics leads to longer careers with less overall pain. You should be aware of the unique challenges presented by pregnancy in the salon, spa, or barbershop to ensure your and your client's safety. Discuss nutritional needs in a beauty context. All bodily functions, including the building of tissues, are directly related to nutrition. The process involves in taking in nutrients and assimilating and utilizing them. The foods we eat and the water we drink are the basic building blocks of life. Foods are broken down into basic molecules that are then delivered to every cell in the human body. These molecules are used by the cells to repair damage, form new cells, and conduct all biochemical reactions that run the body's systems. They provide energy that enables our bodies to perform numerous functions. The skin is nourished by the blood through the arteries and capillaries in the circulatory system. Think of the body as a factory. All the necessary systems, departments, units, and components for the factory to function optimally are contained within the food we consume. As we know, beauty professionals are not licensed dietitians, nor are we adequately trained in nutrition to legally recommend dietary changes to our clients. Clients may be taking medications for health conditions such as diabetes or high blood pressure that can be negatively affected by misleading advice, including supplement recommendations. However, it is beneficial for anyone practicing personal care services, such as aesthetics, to have a good working knowledge of nutrition and how the body is affected by the foods we consume. Good nutrition is necessary for healthy skin, hair, and nails. Essential nutrients. There are 6 classes of nutrients that the body needs. Carbohydrates needed for energy to run every function within the body. Vitamins required for many body functions to occur, including normal metabolism. Fats needed for many body functions, including hormones, sebum production, and absorption of fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E, and K. Minerals used by cells to produce important biochemicals that have many body functions. Proteins, important for building muscle and blood tissues, and for cell repair and replacement. Water, necessary for virtually every function of the cells and body. Makes up 50 to 70% of the body's weight. These essential nutrients are obtained through eating and drinking. The body cannot make nutrients in sufficient amounts to sustain itself properly. Did you know? If you want more information about nutrition, visit the USDA's special website at choosemyplate. Oh my goodness, what is wrong with me? choosemyplate.gov. There are many information sources on this easy-to-use page that offer daily nutrition advice, healthy recipes, and meal planning, and weight loss information. The United States Department of Agriculture, USDA, developed a program called My Plate to help people determine the amounts of food they need to eat from the 5 basic food groups. The food groups are grains, dairy, vegetables, protein foods such as meat, poultry, seafood, beans, and eggs. And the last one, fruits. Eating the recommended amounts of foods from the 5 basic food groups is the best way to support and maintain the health of the body, skin, and nails. See the recommended daily food amounts in Figure 4-1. My plate shows the 5 food groups and their appropriate proportions. In addition to creating the recommendations included in the My Plate program, the USDA and the United States Department of Health and Human Services have established dietary guidelines to assist people with achieving a balanced diet. Eat a variety of foods. Select a diet that is high in fresh fruits, vegetables, and grain products, and low in fats, saturated fat, and cholesterol. Consume moderate amounts of salt and sugar, including the sodium and modified sugars that are in prepared food products. Drink an appropriate amount of water. Keep consumption of alcoholic beverages to a minimum. Balance your diet with the right amount of physical activity. Maintain or improve your weight. For much more information on necessary vitamins and minerals in the diet, visit the National Institutes of Health, NIH, at medlineplus.gov and search for vitamins. Activity. Nutrition tracking. Choose a food tracking program, such as the Super Tracker at USDA.gov, or an app on your phone, and track what you eat in 1 week. After a week, discuss everyone's results in class. What are some good habits? Some bad habits? What nutrients are especially lacking? What are some ways you could address this need? Vitamins and dietary supplements. Vitamins play an important role in the body's health, aiding in healing, fighting disease, and maintaining the skin, hair, and nails. There are 13 essential vitamins: A, C, D, E, K, and 8 B complex vitamins. Vitamins A, D, E, and K are fat-soluble vitamins found in fats in foods and can be stored in the body. Vitamin C and B complex are water-soluble, meaning the body uses and loses them quickly, so they must be replenished regularly. Vitamins such as A, C, D, and E have been shown to have positive effects on the skin's health when taken by mouth. If a person's daily food consumption is lacking in nutrients, vitamin and mineral supplements can help provide some of the nutrients needed. Be sure to read the recommended daily allowance, RDA, for each vitamin and mineral supplement. These recommendations are listed on all supplement labels. If you have any questions or concerns about the supplements, especially if the level of any nutrient is over 100% of the RDA, contact the manufacturer either by phone or through a website. Remember that vitamins are nutritional supplements, not cosmetic ingredients. In fact, the law prohibits manufacturers from claiming that any beauty product or cosmetic has nutritional value. Vitamin and mineral supplements are not cosmetic ingredients, but they can still have positive effects on the hair, skin, and nails. The following vitamins have particularly significant effects on the skin. Vitamin A supports the overall health of the skin and aids in the health, function, and repair of skin cells. It has been shown to improve the skin's elasticity and thickness. Vitamin C is an important substance needed for the proper repair of the skin and tissues. This vitamin aids in and accelerates the skin's healing process, as well as boosting the immune system. Vitamin C also is vitally important in fighting the aging process and promotes the production of collagen in the skin's dermal tissues, keeping the skin healthy and firm. Vitamin D enables the body to properly absorb and use calcium, the element needed for proper bone development and maintenance. Vitamin D also promotes rapid healing of the skin. Vitamin E helps protect the skin from harmful effects of the sun's UV light. Some people claim that vitamin E helps to heal damage to the skin's tissues when taken by mouth. Because the nutrients the body needs for proper functioning and survival must come primarily from what we eat and drink, you should not depend on supplements to make up for poor nutrition. If your daily food consumption is lacking in nutrients, you should strive to improve your diet rather than relying on vitamins and mineral supplements to provide nourishment. Clients may occasionally ask you about nutrition and their skin. You can refer them to some of the informational websites listed within this chapter. If clients ask you detailed questions about nutrition, you should tell them to seek the advice of a physician or a registered dietitian or a nutritionist. Check in. What are the 6 classes of nutrients that the body needs? Practice proper hydration. There's one essential nutrient no person can live without, and that is water. Drinking pure water is indispensable to keeping the body healthy. It sustains cell health, aids in elimination of toxins and waste, helps regulate body temperature, and aids in proper digestion. When all these functions perform properly, they help the skin, hair, and nails stay healthy, vital, and attractive. Water is essential for life and for maintaining healthy hair, skin, and nails. Water facts. An estimated 75% of Americans are chronically dehydrated. Research suggests that the benefits of water on human health and functioning are many. Even mild dehydration will slow metabolism by as much as 3%. Drinking lots of water can help stop hunger pains for many dieters. Lack of water is the number one cause of daytime fatigue. A 2% in no, a 2% drop in body water can trigger fuzzy or short-term memory, trouble with basic math, and difficulty in focusing on a computer screen or a printed page. Here's a tip. Keep a large bottle of water on hand daily to keep the body hydrated. Offer clients water during their services. Make water available to your clients starting with your initial consultation. Water intake requirements. The amount of water needed by an individual varies depending on body weight and level of daily physical activity. The human body requires approximately 2 liters of fluid a day just to replace the fluid lost from simply existing, walking, standing, and breathing. That's 8-ounce glasses of water per day at a bare minimum. Drinking 9 to 12 glasses, 2 to 3 liters of water a day, is an average recommendation. Here's an easy formula to help you determine how much water is needed every day for maximum physical health. Take your body weight and divide by 2. Then divide this number by 8. The resulting number approximates how many 8-ounce glasses of water you should drink every day. For instance, if you weigh 160 pounds, you should drink 10 glasses of water a day. If you engage in intense physical activity each day, add 2 extra glasses of water to the final number. This will help replace extra fluids lost while exercising. Drinking excessive amounts of water is not recommended, so increase the amount further only if you are thirsty or dehydrated. As with all healthy habits, moderation is usually the best choice for nutritional balance. Check in. How many glasses of water should you drink every day? I hope this was helpful to you. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe, and sign up for a membership. Have a great day. I appreciate you watching, and watch my other videos. Thanks. Bye.